Regularly checking in on your cash flow forecast is important, but sometimes you'll want to dive a little bit deeper to understand how your business is really performing. If you'd like to export a cash flow report, your main report lives in the main cash flow page under the Share button. You can download a summary report here, and also you can export the forecast to a CSV or a PDF. You can choose your date range and choose whether or not to collapse table groups, show the float logo, or the base scenario on the graph you're looking at. On the first page, you've got the graph with the scenario you're looking at the time and a summary of the income and costs. And then below that, you have the full breakdown of every single account. Head over to our Insights tab to find things like our Budget Variance Report, which will show you how your budget's compared to your actuals and tell you how accurate your budgeting has been. I can click into each line here to view the account deep dive report. There are a few other helpful insights that live in this area too, including accounts to watch, for cash in and cash out, accounts of the categories in your accounting software, things like sales, costs of goods, salaries, and so on. They're what shows up as the individual rows within your cash flow table. This report will show you your top accounts where you're the most over or under budget. You've also got Account Deep Dive, which gives you a full view of one of our accounts such as sales. We can see where things are due and what's been paid and what we've budgeted. In scenario comparison, you can overlay multiple scenarios on top of one another so you can compare them. You can set the date range up here and read the graph on a day, week, or month basis. The last insight here is our overall income versus costs, where you can see the cash that was spent in the past month and cash that's expected to be spent in the future. Your budgets create the bars for future months and your actual transactions make up the darker bars within them. You can view this by scenario and you can also set your date range. Check out all of our insights from here.